welcome to everybody. We are from third orchestra. We study classical culture in English, and we'll play a play called Orpheus. And before that, we'll start with a poem called Eurydice. This poem will be said by two of our pupils, and just an introduction to the poem is by a poetess called H.D. Hilda Doolittle. She was born in Pennsylvania, then she traveled to Great Britain and lived there. She was a modernist, and as you will see in her poem, she was inspired by ancient Greek mythology. So we'll start with the poem, and right after that, we'll perform the play. Thank you. We hope you'll enjoy it.
So you have swept me back. I have walked with the life source above the earth. I have slept among the life flowers at last.
So for your arrogance and your ruthlessness, I am swept back, where then it is written, death to almost a flash.
So for your arrogance, I am broken at last. I have been unconscious, who was almost forgot.
If you had let me wait, I had grown from this business into peace. If you had let me rest with the dead, I had forgot you and the past.
Here only flame upon flame and black among the red sparks, a streak of black and light grown colorless.
Why did you turn back, that hell shall be inhabited, or myself thus, swept into nothingness?
Why did you turn back? Why did you glance back? Why did you hesitate for that moment?
Why did you bend your face, covering the flame of the upper earth over my face?
What was it that closed my face with the light from your glance? What was it you saw in my face? The light of your own face, the fire of your own presence?
Orpheus, which, as you know, is inspired, it's an adaptation inspired in poems by great ancient poets from like Eurydice and other ancient poets. Okay, so here you are. Hope you enjoy it.
Long, long ago in Greece, there was a man named Orpheus who played an excellent lyre. A lyre? What's a lyre? It's a musical instrument sort of like a harp.
His music was so good, the sacred beat and everyone never transformed everyone. Orpheus and his lyre made everyone and everything really happy. There was one person who made a really happy. His name was Eurydice.
One day, Eurydice was out frolicsing in the woods when she was bitten by a snake. The snake died, but Eurydice died.
Hades came and took Eurydice out of the oven. And Orpheus had the witch who was trying to play instruments and he had enough with them and stopped playing it.
Orpheus, why do you no longer play your lyre? Your music was so good. That could be over
Hey, that is an idea.
He ran across the overworld by Hades by someone, so Orpheus started to do and was out from it.
Orpheus stepped in a cave and found himself face to face with a three-headed dog.
Down, 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 through the dark and the chill journeyed Orpheus till he came to the river Styx.
After walking over those beautiful ships, he is Skeleton, who fell into the earth across the sea.
Once again, Orpheus took up his lyre and began playing. Sharon liked the music so much that he buried Orpheus the whole river.
So he ferried on over the river Styx till he came to the palace of Hades.
Hades.
Yeah, what do you want?
Oh, my Hades. I hate to trouble you, but I was just wondering if,
Go. Spit it out!
well, I was just wondering if Eurydice could come back with me.
Oh, the door? I didn't you say so.
No, not ridiculous. I find you the best player too.
So Orpheus started to leave, but first Hades tried playing his lyre.
Alright. Yes, I'm playing now for family. Eurydice. Wait, there are nothing. She might not speak to you, and you might not look at her until you are on the side. If you do, then they are so. Now get out of my side.
So they started the journey, the long spoken journey, and came once again to the river Styx. Over the river they started the climb up to the door.
There is the entrance, but if Gran was there, that's being there, right?
After walking 6 months, when Orpheus traveled to get look at Eurydice, Eurydice prayed to lost his game, but finally he saw her.
Eurydice.
Yes, you. Oh, fool you. Come on, dear, back to the shore.
And although Orpheus continued to take his lyre for the rest of his life, all of his songs were tear-jerkers and he thought the rest of the world as was of